Hello, this is Mike again, and we are going over the test prep questions out of the 8033 practice test guide, and we are on chapter 10. Chapter 10 is on inspection concepts and techniques. Let's get to the questions. Question 10.1. What record would indicate an approved return to service following a completed annual or 100-hour inspection? A. Airworthiness certificate. B. Aircraft maintenance manual. Or C. Aircraft logbook. The correct answer is C. Aircraft logbook. Question 10.2. What publication would describe work required to correct an unsafe condition discovered in the design of an aircraft? A. Structural repair manual. B. Manufacturer's maintenance manual. Or C. Airworthiness directive. The correct answer is C. Airworthiness directive. 10.3. An aircraft was not approved for return to service after an annual inspection and the owner wanted to fly the aircraft to another maintenance base. Which statement is correct? A. The owner must obtain a special flight permit. B. The owner may fly without restriction up to 10 hours. Or C. The owner may fly in the restricted category up to 10 hours. The correct answer is A. The owner must obtain a special flight permit. 10.4. Which piece of information would not be found in a type certificate data sheet? A. Center of gravity, range, and datum locations. B. Frequency and type of inspections required for the aircraft. Or C. Control surface movement limitations. The correct answer is B. Frequency and type of inspections required for the aircraft. Question 10.5. The person ultimately responsible for determining whether an aircraft is in airworthy condition is the A. Pilot in command, B. Aircraft's owner, or C. A&P mechanic who signed off the current annual or 100-hour inspection. The correct answer is A. Pilot in command. Question 10.6. Which inspection schedule plan must be individually approved by an FAA Flight Standard District Office? A. 100-hour inspection schedule. B. Annual inspection schedule. Or C. Progressive inspection schedule. Correct answer is C. Progressive inspection schedule. 10.7. An aircraft scheduled for a 100-hour inspection has flown 98 hours since the last inspection. It is currently located 4 hours from its primary maintenance facility. What must be done? A. The inspection must be done at a facility within 2 hours flying time of its present location. B. A special ferry permit must be obtained from the local FSDO to fly the aircraft beyond its 100-hour term. Or C. It is close enough for government. Fly it home and do the inspection at your regular facility. The answer is C. It is close enough for government. Fly it home and do inspection at your regular facility. Question 10.8. A turbine-powered business jet typically undergoes what type of inspection schedule? A. Progressive inspections. B. A through D checks. Or C. 100-hour inspections. The correct answer is B. A through D checks. Question 10.9. An aircraft equipped with an air traffic control transponder must have the transponder checked A. as part of the normal aircraft inspection schedule, B. within 24 calendar months of the previous transponder inspection, or C. within 12 calendar months of the previous transponder inspection. Correct answer is B. within 24 calendar months of the previous transponder inspection. Question 10.10. Which of the following ATA systems designation is correct? A. ATA 21 regards air conditioning and ATA 32 regards landing gear. B. ATA 28 regards hydraulic power and ATA 33 regards ice and rain protection. Or C. ATA 26 regards oxygen systems and ATA 49 regards vacuum systems. The correct answer is A. ATA 21 regards air conditioning, and ATA 32 regards landing gear. Question 1011. An aircraft encountering severe turbulence in flight should undergo A. Structural inspection before its next operation. B. Structural inspection only if personal injury occurred during the encounter. Or C. Standard annual or 100-hour inspection before its next operation. Correct answer is A. Structural inspection before its next operation. Question 1012. When an aircraft is struck by lightning in flight, which of the components are most likely to suffer damage? A. Electrically conductive metallic components. B. Non-electrically conductive composite and plastic components. Or C. Aircraft electronic systems. The correct answer is B. Non-electrically conductive composite and plastic components. Question 1013. A Rockwell test of affected components would be useful during an inspection of an aircraft subject to A. Lightning strike, B. Flood damage, or C. Fire damage. The correct answer is C. Fire damage. 1014. Which of the following methods may be suitable to detect cracks open to the surface in aluminum forgings and castings? 1. Dye or liquid penetrant. 2. Magnetic particle. 3. Metallic ring. 4. Eddy current. 5. Ultrasonic. And 6. Visual inspection. Is it A, 1, 4, 5, and 6, B, 1, 2, 4, 5, and 6, or C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6? Correct answer is A, 1, 4, 5, and 6. Those are dye or liquid penetrant, eddy current, ultrasonic, and visual. 1015. Detection of a minute crack using dye penetrant inspection usually requires A. the developer to be applied on a flat surface, B. a longer than normal penetrating time, or C. the surface be highly polished. The correct answer is B. a longer than normal penetrating time. 1016. Liquid penetrant inspection methods may be used on which of the following? 1. Porous plastics. 2. Ferrous metals. 3. Non-ferrous metals. 4. Smooth primer sealed wood. 5. Non-porous plastic. Is it A, 2, 3, and 4, B, 1, 2, and 3, or C, 2, 3, and 5? The correct answer is C, 2, 3, and 5, which are ferrous metals, non-ferrous metals, and non-porous plastics. Question 1017. A part which is being prepared for dye penetrant inspection should be cleaned with A. the prescribed cleaning solvent, B. the penetrant developer, or C. water-based solvents only. Correct answer is A. the prescribed cleaning solvent. 1018. If dye penetrant inspection indications are not sharp and clear, the most probable cause is the part A. was not correctly degaussed before the developer was applied, B. has no appreciable damage, or C. was not thoroughly washed before the developer was applied. Correct answer is C. was not thoroughly washed before the developer was applied. Question 1019. In performing a dye penetrant inspection, the developer A. seeps into the surface crack to indicate the presence of a defect, B. acts as a blotter to produce a visible indication, or C. thoroughly cleans the surface prior to inspection. The correct answer is B. acts as a blotter to produce a visible indication. 1020. What non-destructive testing method requires little or no part preparation, is used to detect surface or near surface defects in most metals, and may also be used to separate metals or alloys in their heat treat conditions? A. Eddy current inspection, B. Ultrasonic inspection, or C. Magnetic particle inspection. Correct answer is A. Eddy current inspection. 1021. Which non-destructive testing method is typically used to inspect aluminum components subject to fire or extreme heat? A. Liquid penetrant inspection, B. Eddy current inspection, or C. Ultrasonic inspection. Correct answer is B. Eddy current inspection. 1022. Which is not an advantage of the eddy current non-destructive inspection technique? A. Can often be performed without removing paint and primer. C. Can be used with almost all types of structural material. And I'm sorry, that was B. And C, can test a substance for both corrosion and heat treat condition. Correct answer is B, can be used with almost all types of structural material. Question 1023. Which of these non-destructive testing methods is suitable for the inspection of most metals, plastics, and ceramics for surface and subsurface defects? A, eddy current inspection, B, magnetic particle inspection, or C, ultrasonic inspection? Correct answer is C, ultrasonic inspection. 1024. Which type of ultrasonic testing would normally be used to measure the thickness of a material when the back side surface is inaccessible? A, pulse echo, B, through transmission, or C, resonance? The correct answer is C, resonance. 1025. What is the purpose of a couplant used during ultrasonic inspections? A, creates a reflective surface, B, creates a sealed interface, or C, electrically excite the sonic pulse? The correct answer is B, creates a sealed interface. 1026. What method of magnetic particle inspection is used most often to inspect aircraft parts for invisible cracks other than defects? A, residual, B, inductance, or C, continuous? Correct answer is C, continuous. 1027. The pattern for an inclusion is a magnetic particle buildup forming A, fern-like pattern, B, a single line, or C, parallel lines? Correct answer is C, parallel lines. 1028. In magnetic particle inspection, a flaw that is perpendicular to the magnetic field flux lines generally causes A, large disruption in the magnetic field, B, a minimal disruption in magnetic field, or C, no disruption in the magnetic field. Correct answer is A, large disruption in the magnetic field. 1029. Circular magnetization of a part can be used to detect which defects? A, defects parallel to the long axis of the part, B, defects perpendicular to the long axis of the part, or C, defects perpendicular to the concentric circles of the magnetic force within the part? Correct answer is A, defects parallel to the long axis of the part. 1030. When checking an item with the magnetic particle inspection method, circular and longitudinal magnetization should be used. A, reveal all possible defects, B, evenly magnetize the entire part, or C, ensure uniform current flow? Correct answer is A, reveal all possible defects. Question 1031. Which type crack can be detected by magnetic particle inspection using either circular or longitudinal magnetization? A, 45 degree, B, longitudinal, or C, transverse? Correct answer is A, 45 degree. 1032. Which is a benefit of the Magnelago method of magnetic particle inspection? A, small flaws are easily detectable, B, magnetization and demagnetization of a part is not necessary, C, inspection of parts can typically be done without removal from the aircraft? Correct answer is A, small flaws are more easily detectable. 1033. Which statement is true regarding the residual method of magnetic particle inspection? A, subsurface discontinuities are made readily apparent, B, it provides greater sensitivity than the continuous method of magnetic particle inspection, or C, it is only used with steels that have been heat treated? Correct answer is C, it has only been used with steels that have been heat treated. 1024. Under magnetic particle inspection, a part will be identified as having a fatigue crack under which condition? A, the discontinuity pattern is straight, B, the discontinuity is found in a non-stressed area of the part, or C, the discontinuity is found in a highly stressed area of the part? Correct answer is C, the discontinuity is found in a highly stressed area of the part. 1035. What two types of indicating mediums are available for magnetic part inspection? A, wet and dry process materials, B, high retentivity and low permeability materials, or C, iron and ferrous oxides? Correct answer is A, wet and dry process materials. 1036. One way a part may be demagnetized after magnetic particle inspection is by A. Subjecting a part to high voltage, low amperage AC, B. Slowly moving the part out of an AC magnetic field of sufficient strength, or B. Slowly moving part into an AC magnetic field of sufficient strength. Correct answer is B. Slowly moving a part out of an AC magnetic field of sufficient strength. 1037. The testing medium that is generally used in magnetic particle inspection utilizes a ferromagnetic material that has A. High permeability and low retentivity, B. Low permeability and high retentivity, or C. High permeability and high retentivity. The correct answer is A. High permeability and low retentivity. 1038. Regarding the below statements, 1. An aircraft part may be demagnetized by subjecting it to a magnetization force from alternating current that is gradually reduced in strength. 2. An aircraft part may be demagnetized by subjecting it to a magnetization force from direct current that is alternately reversed in direction and gradually reduced in strength. A. Both 1 and 2 are true. B. Only 1 is true. Or C. Only 2 is true. Correct answer is A. Both 1 and 2 are true. 1039. Which is an advantage of the radiographic inspection technique? A. Provides a very precise image of a defect. B. Results can be interpreted with minimal amount of training. And C. Can often be accomplished without disassembly of the part from the aircraft. Correct answer is C. Can often be accomplished without disassembly of the aircraft. 1040. Which of these factors are considered essential knowledge for X-ray exposure? 1. Processing of the film. 2. Material thickness and density. 3. Exposure, distance, and angle. 4. Film characteristics. Is it A, 2 and 3, B, 1 and 4, or C, all the above? Correct answer is C, all the above. 1041. A mechanic has completed a bonded honeycomb repair. What non-destructive testing method is used to determine the soundness of the repair after the repair has cured? A. Eddy current test, B. Metallic ring test, or C. Ultrasonic test. Correct answer is B. Metallic ring test. 1042. Which of the following are commonly used non-destructive testing methods in composite structures? A. Tap test ultrasonic and radiographic. B. Tap test eddy current and dye penetrant. Or C. Tap test Manglo and flux density. The correct answer is A. Tap test ultrasonic and radiographic. 1043. Which is a characteristic of a good gas weld? A. The depth of penetration shall be sufficient to ensure fusion of the filler rod. B. The height of the weld bead should be 1/8 inch above the base metal. Or C. The weld should taper off smoothly into the base metal. Correct answer is C. The weld should taper off smoothly into the base metal. 1044. On a fillet weld, the penetration requirement includes what percentages of the base metal thickness? A. 100%, B. 25 to 50, or C. 60 to 80. The correct answer is B. 25 to 50%. 1045. Using figure 10.1 below, identify the weld caused by an excessive amount of acetylene. Is it A1, B2, or C3? The correct answer is C3. 1046. Also using figure 10.1 below, select the illustration which depicts a cold weld. Is it A1, B2, or C4? The correct answer is B2,